2 points. They go to De La Cruz against Jaworski.
No double teaming, ha? No double teaming, ha?
Ano itatawag? Foul. Started the tira and a foul on Jaworski.
Yes.
Jaworski going for his fifth personal foul.
I'm really surprised they did not double team. Pupuntahan nila si Art De La Cruz against Jaworski at the post if they're not gonna double team. Meanwhile, Mostre is coming in to replace Alan Kaibik.
Ang laking bagay nito, Dr. J. Naharap ng ahon ng Gordons, Dr. J. Kasi parang 85. Walang halang. And rebound. Gordons, pumuposte si Luxin. Hindi makita ni Jaworski ang puwang. Ito, ngayon. Nabukas si Jaworski. Good hitting three. Yes, he does! Jaworski!
Sabi niya, iniwanan niyo ako rito, ha?
Nailing his third 3-point shot of the ball game. Good patapos ng mahigit 20 taon sa PBA. Pangitira pa ito ng 3-point shot. Pero yun talaga, dito sa atin, hindi rin natin makita na karoon ng signal. Just like what happened earlier, no, doon sa tira ni Mustriata, no, si Manny. Hindi ganito kalapad ang katawan ni Jaworski. Payat siya nung mga una. Pero ngayon, bigla lumapad. Ano?
Well, alam mo naman, as we grow older, every year that you grow older, you're supposed to be lampad. Sa pagkakatanda, alam mo. Unless you keep on working out. And, you know, obviously, funny stuff. Playing his gun balloon because ang kanyang build, at saka yung build niya is hindi malapad. Dapat hindi matbayan. So he has to work out.